Hi y'all, welcome to Southern Staples. Thanks for joining me today, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I'd love for you to invite your friends and family as well. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Hi y'all, welcome back to the Southern Staples kitchen. Today we're just going to do a really simple basic. This is a great base for lots of appetizers, goes along with the meal really well. How to toast a French baguette. Picked up a baguette at my local grocery store. And all I'm going to do, I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees. And I'm going to coat you will need olive oil, butter, or margarine. The butter or margarine does need to be melted. And what we're going to do is just take the baguette and slice it with a serrated knife on the diagonal. And let's get a little closer so you can check that out. Alright, so what you do, up close, use your serrated knife, the one that has the jagged edge. Cut this at a diagonal, about 1/4 of an inch thickness. Remember to cut on your cutting board, don't cut on your pan. That can damage it over time. And this really is a great base for a lot of appetizers. If you ever need to make bruschetta, or you can just use a thin smear of like a goat cheese, or lots and lots of different possibilities with a toasted baguette. So here we go, we've cut just a few slices. Then what I'm going to do is, this is a great tool to have, just a silicone brush. This is olive oil. Like I said though, you can use melted butter or margarine. Just lightly coat on both sides. This doesn't have to be perfect, just do it very quickly. And once you've coated all your pieces, all you need to do is just pop this in your oven at 400 degrees for about 8 or 10 minutes. And make sure you turn them so they brown evenly on both sides. And there you have it, an easy toasted French baguette. Thanks so much. Thanks for tuning in to Southern Staples. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also share with your family and friends. Thanks, and y'all have a great day.